Today, we're introducing a fiber optic cable designed for indoor and outdoor installations, rugged yet slim and highly flexible. Compared to traditional electric cables, fiber optics deliver long-distance transmission and high-capacity data transfer. However, because the core is made of glass, they are vulnerable to impact and pressure, requiring careful handling in the field. To address these challenges, we developed the Armored Fiber Optic Cable, which protects the fiber with a metal tube. Our product shields the fiber directly with a metal tube. That provides exceptional resistance to lateral pressure and impact while maintaining flexibility and ease of handling, even under harsh conditions such as heavy loads, rodent damage, or high temperatures. Our test shows that our product maintained stable communication when it was run over by a truck. In fire resistance tests, it successfully transmitted data for 30 minutes at 1,000 degrees. And in rodent resistance tests, mice were unable to bite through the cable, proving its outstanding durability. Furthermore, even branch cables and connector sections are fully protected by metal tubing, so you can rely on our product in harsh environment. Each cable is custom made to order. Fiber count, 1 to 32 cores, and jacket colors, black, orange, or yellow. We also offer a wide range of compatible connectors. Feel free to contact us for details. To maximize the performance of fiber optics in the field, the Armored Fiber Optic Cable will protect the lifeline of your optical communication system where ordinary cables fall short. Durability, flexibility, and reliability. As the new standard for fiber optic cables, consider the Armored Fiber Optic Cable for your next installation.